What I'm going to go over today, if you're an SMMA owner, is low ticket clients versus high ticket clients and which ones you should be going for, okay? I'm going to go over this because I've seen a drastic change in my business when I used to take on low ticket clients versus now taking on higher ticket clients. I'm going to go through all the biggest pain points, all the things that you should be watching out for, all the behaviors, pricing, all that stuff. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let's hop right into this video. This is a very important video if you're starting your SMMA journey or you're currently running an agency and you're looking at low ticket clients because of high quantity versus high ticket clients, and lower, quantity.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30. This channel is for business owners looking to scale their business with paid ads, systems, creating more resistible offers, and ultimately making more money. So make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
And what I've seen is lower ticket clients are good to first start. You're starting to get clients, you're starting to prove your concept, you're excited about running your agency, and you're trying to get every single business owner inside your ecosystem so that you can use their money, spend it, and getting results that way, and building a reputation, and learning more niches and verticals. Because the more niches and verticals that you learn, the more money you're gonna make, the more people you're gonna be able to market to. It's gonna be a lot more scalable for you. But here's the problem, is that with low ticket clients, it is more scalable, but you're gonna have more customer headaches, fulfillment headaches, people leaving because of lack of budget, people leaving because of lack of patience, people leaving because they just simply don't have the funds to keep going. And also the thing is that with low ticket clients, they also have money blocks and mental blocks, things that are prohibiting them from scaling. Now on the higher ticket side, it's gonna be harder for you to sell this, but you're gonna be talking to business owners who have the money to spend, who have proven concepts, who are patient, who aren't gonna be in your Slack chats and inside your ecosystem complaining every 10 seconds, like some of the low ticket clients. The low ticket clients are needy. They don't understand marketing that well. They're very much in the dark. They want these thought out explanations all the time because they're just not willing to educate themselves because of the lack of patience. The high ticket clients are less communicative. They let you do your thing. They just come to you for reporting reasons. They don't really bother us that much, but you are operating at a higher level. So you will be fulfilling more services for those higher ticket clients. With the lower ticket clients, it's kind of hard to service them with a bunch of deliverables, doing email and SMS for all these low ticket clients and doing maybe sales coaching and, doing Zapier and CRMs and all that. That's hard for clients who are $1,500 a month and below because you're going to really have very slim margins. And also with all that, retention issues, the churn and burn, you're going to have a lot of struggles with people, sticking on for a long period of time. Now, the only thing that it is good for low ticket and high ticket is if they work together. So using a low ticket program to get business owners inside your ecosystem, and then once they're proven results and they're, reaching those requirements for your high ticket, that ascension of going to the higher ticket price is going to be an easier sell. It's easier to take somebody who has been with you for 3 months to pay $1,500 a month, $1,000 a month, maybe $750, and then obviously taking them to a 2K a month, 3K a month, 4K a month if they've seen results with you already. That closing rate of that ascension is going to be a lot easier to sell. The other side of the coin is this. Okay, with lower ticket clients, you're going to have more refunds, you're going to have more chargebacks, more customer headaches, more customer service headaches. Okay, and the biggest piece is why low ticket sometimes crumbles is because they see a lack of results when they're not even paying that much money anyway. And when they do have that lack of results, or that maybe they're getting a little bit of results, they're not willing to stick with it. They're very impatient. They want that quick fix. They want that get rich quick scheme. That's the trouble with low ticket clients. Okay. Also, low ticket clients, their cards fail a lot more often than high ticket clients. We have more clients who can't pay a $1,500 a month retainer versus the clients who we charge 3K, 4K, 5K, 10K a month for their card. It always goes through. So there's way more streamlined fulfillment on that high ticket clients. And then obviously low ticket clients, it's a lot harder to sustain that. You're gonna have more neediness, you're gonna have more customer headaches. It's just the way it is. You're gonna have also problems with clients buying softwares. If you tell a low ticket client to spend $297 a month on Go High Level, $297 a month on ClickFunnels, there's gonna be friction. Why do I need it when I have this? Why do I need this when I could just do this? Like, they're not experienced business owners, so they're gonna make you a bottleneck in your fulfillment process. With the high ticket clients, they don't care if you charge $1,000 a month for some software to their card because they know the impact of what spending money is. And that's where I really want to get to the money blocks and the mental blocks, is that people who are low ticket, they actually don't think that they can make more money. They are scared to make more money. They are scared to invest in themselves because they've never done it before. They're kind of on this like edgy spectrum of like, oh shit, I'm spending money. Is this the right decision? Is this someone I can trust? It's like, that's the problem. And also these lower ticket clients, they've came from agency to agency to agency. The high ticket clients are willing to stick with you long term to build confidence in a team, to build structure, to build an actual long-term relationship. So in my opinion, if you're gonna sell low ticket, you just have to qualify a lot harder because you really wanna find people who have a decent proven concept, who have sales already kicking, who have actual like a sales process in place. Even though if it's not perfected, it's still something that's a little bit proven. Don't just take on clients who have no idea what they're selling, who don't have any idea what AOV is, LTV, who maybe haven't even ran an ad before. Like, don't take those clients. They're gonna be headaches. They're gonna cause you to do more work than's needed. It's not because you don't wanna work hard, you wanna work smarter, not harder. Optimize your time, optimize and streamline that sales process. And then you can obviously ascend those decently qualified clients into your higher ticket program. Or if they don't even qualify for low ticket, sell coaching, hire coaches. Maybe have a lower ticket product that you can descend them into. Then if they get descended, they get this maybe lower ticket coaching, and then they go into the lower ticket actual done for you. And then if they get results, they can go to the higher ticket. So it's an easier way to get a higher AOV, a higher LTV out of your clients. So I hope that clears up a lot of things with lower ticket versus higher ticket. If you're an SMMA owner in 2022, make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment down below any questions you have about your pricing model, your client acquisition, and your sales process and pricing, okay? I hope to see you guys in the next video. Subscribe again below, and thanks again for stopping by.